My name is Jessica Owenby, and I am in the ADN program at Galen. I chose Galen because I work at Mission Hospital. I have for the past 4 years, and it is an HCA hospital, and they talked very highly about Galen. It was new. I fell in love. I loved coming to school. Everyone here was so friendly. And when I came to the open house, it was just amazing. My favorite thing about Galen is that they have nurses that are still, some of them are still working bedside. They make sure that they show us that they're hands-on, that they go in and actually give demonstrations before we even go touch an actual human. I love the sim lab. My favorite sim lab here at Galen was we had watched a lady give birth. She actually would get better when we would do things that we were supposed to do, but then if we missed a spot, you could see how it would affect you in the real world, like what would really happen and what you need to do and how fast it happens. And so I loved it. We had so much fun in that lab. It was amazing.